Welcome to tutorial video how to boot BIOS setting on Lenovo G50 laptop. First of all, take a pointed tool or SIM ejecting pin. Go to left side of the laptop near power adapter point. Next to power adapter point, small micro pinhole will be there. Push the pointed tool to key pinhole for 5 seconds or hold until laptop boot. Once the laptop boot, release the pinhole tool. Click like and subscribe button to unlock future content. Now BIOS Lenovo Novo button menu appear. Here use your up and down arrow key to navigate the options. Select BIOS setup option and press enter to select the mode. Moment you press enter, BIOS information and other option will be able to see. Now use arrow keys left and right to navigate the option. Go to boot option. Use down arrow key to select the booting option. Once boot option selected, go to exit. Select the save the changes. Exit saving changes message will appear, select yes to save and press enter. Now laptop system will boot as per your boot selection. Click like and subscribe button to unlock future content.